Yeah. So yesterday I covered deployment and service. So I've written notes around deployment, but I'm yet to write notes around service. So let's see deployment, how it is helpful in managing the Kubernetes cluster. So, uh, so deployment is like a manager in Kubernetes. So, deployment manages replica sets, supports rollback, and updates the current running application version. Okay. Definition for creating deployments is same as a replica set. So, this particular YAML definition is same as replica set. Just the this kind value instead of the replica sets we have deployed. Okay, rest remains the same. So you may ask what will be the difference between replica sets and deployment. So this deployment supports a rollback and as well as this. That's the main difference. Uh, the field description is same as replicas. So rollouts and versioning. When we create a deployment, it creates a rollout of new model. Okay, and new revision of a deployment is created. So two things: rollout. Let's say you want to shift from version 1.1 to 1.1. Okay, then a new rollout is created and revision is stored. Okay, okay. Then if the current revision has some errors, let's say 1.1 had some error, then we will revert back to the old deployment. Okay. So uh, that is supported in deployment. Okay. So it is built on top of replica sets. There are two strategies for deployment: the recreate and rolling update strategy. Recreate will bring all the pods down and start new ones with new version. Okay. Uh, this is not recommended because if you are in production, recreate will bring all the pods down and then start a new. So there will be a application downtime, which when you are running a business, you don't require, or else a CTO will hire you. Okay. Now, rolling update will bring pods down and start a new ones and so on. Okay. So this is the default strategy. These are the commands that is used to create a deployment. That deployment describe rollout status. So once we create the deployment, we will check the status. Rollout history. This should be history. History. Rollout history. And if you want to roll back to previous version, we can do that as well. So this is simple deployment. And let's see. And yesterday I was reading a blog up about the one thing, one cool tip in CKAD exam. So I will share that as well. So first, let us create a deployment folder over here. Okay. Now, deployment dash definition dot YAML. It is that we will copy this only. We'll copy this only. We will do set paste. So we have deployment and the deployment name is server. This is done. Then we will do create deployment definition. This will create the deployment definition. Okay. So the deployment definition has been created. We can check the status of the deployment. Yes. Deployment is rolled out and we can check the history as well. The new keyboard is new for me, so that's why. History is revision. There is none. After the rollout, there is no change. So that's why the history is not been shown over here. Now, let's say we want to update our deployment. Okay, we want to roll out a new. So for now, what I will do is I will deploy. I will edit the current deployment. Mm, okay, instead of that, first what we will do is we will see this rolling and versioning thing. Okay, so now if you see here, the type is rolling over here. So we will do like a recreate and rolling update. This is not required. Okay, so now the strategy is recreate. So it will now deploy once again. We see the status. It's already been rolled out. Okay. Mm, okay. I will change the 0. Let's roll out this version. It was on latest version, so we are going to like check the this version. If we see now, so all the if now the deployment strategy is like recreate. So it first bring all the deployment first bring all the pods down, and it is now like updating. Okay, successfully rolled out. And if we like do now, if we check the history, it should be there in the history. Okay. Change the cause. None. What if we do k rollout undo command deployment? Deployment is rolled back. Let's check if it is on latest or not. Yes, it is on latest. So yeah, that's I guess the deployment. So these are the commands. That's it. I'm not yet I have not yet written services, but I will write notes on that. This was for deployment, and we will delete deployment. Now, yes, the tip I was going to say is like if in exam there will be time constraints, so in order to write the YAML file, it will be time consuming. So I yesterday found that we can generate YAML files. So like here, if we specify Nginx, okay, run my pod is the name of the pod, okay, and if we specify the name image and use this flag dry run, okay, dry run, it will like run the pod dry run in a dry run mode. Okay, now the magic happens. If we specify as output YAML, we get this. Okay, API version, kind, metadata, and all things. So that is so convenient way for generating the YAMLs, right? So all the additional detail that we haven't gone through yet, it is also there, like creation timestamp, this DNS policy, restart policy, all these. Okay. So now you can store this in file. And yes, we have a mod.yaml file. So yeah, that's the thing I found yesterday. Uh, you can do it for deployment as well. You can create for replica sets as well. So yeah, that's all for today.